And here now to help shed a little light on the new rowing exhibit here at the Sports Hall of Fame is the person I always turn to when it comes to the Sports Hall of Fame, Debbie Schween. Thanks for being with us.
My pleasure.
Why rowing? Because when I think about sports in Manitoba, rarely do I think about rowing, but there's a real history here, isn't there?
There really is, and it's interesting how this came about. The Winnipeg Rowing Club actually approached us to help them catalog a number of photos that they had. And so when we got in there, thinking it was just photos, we realized it was much bigger than that. It was a big story, and we decided that we needed to feature it at one point in our feature exhibits. And we had a lot of our own artifacts already, but there was lots to build on there with the Winnipeg Rowing Club and with the rowers who are from Manitoba. Manitoba sends more rowers to the Summer Olympics than any other sport.
Really?
Absolutely. And so we, and for many of us, for me included, even though I'm a diehard sports fan, I focus on rowing at the Olympics once every 4 years, not every year.
So talk about some of the things that you have on display here now. Just what have you wanted to highlight?
Well, we have, of course, the historical stuff, the history of the Winnipeg Rowing Club, 130 years plus. A lot of their artifacts. We have the Grand Aggregate trophies, which are still in active use. Every August they are given out at a regatta. The Lipton Cup, which is the equivalent of the America's Cup for yachting, is here. It is 3.5 feet high, and it is a fabulous trophy, which you normally don't get to see on public display. More current items, we have some World Championship medals from Jeff Powell, an Olympic silver medal from Janine Hansen-Stevens, and then you can go and look at some of the other significant rowers through history, Theo Dubois, J. Derek Riley.
You had mentioned more Manitobans go to the Summer Olympics for rowing. What a fantastic tidbit. What are some other things that have maybe jumped out and surprised you a bit as you've put this all together?
I was really surprised to learn that this is a sport that it's a late start, as they call it. Janine Hansen-Stevens started rowing at the age of 17. It's something that you don't start at 6 years old. Boats aren't set for kids that age. So it's something that kids who are already athletic, into other sports, maybe something they want to try, can get onto the river and give it a go. And Manitoba and Canada have been so successful in this sport that it is something that the coaching and all of that is available to them here.
Yeah, I had a quick glance and was just surprised at how long the rowing club's been in existence.
Absolutely, and it burnt to the ground. You can see a little bit of that history here as well, some photos from that fire, and they had to rebuild it all. They're doing some refurbishing again now, so I guess when you've got that long of a history, you do that. But all of the Olympic rowers, the world champion rowers that came out of Manitoba, trained there. So that is really the place where our history is.
So, just remind folks, Debbie, the hours, especially in the summertime right now for the Sports Hall of Fame, and how long the display is going to be up.
Absolutely. The exhibit's open now and it runs until November the 8th. So you have all summer to come and see Janine's silver medal. The hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 4, Sunday noon to 5. We're closed on Mondays.
And for more information?
Please check out our website, manitobahalloffame.ca.
Good to talk to you. Thanks.
You too. Thank you.